Hey guys, Alyssa here. Today we are going to make a small batch of clay pomade, so come on in. So I went ahead and put in our waxes. We have a good wax blend here. Not overly heavy like our matte paste, but a decent amount. The products that I'm adding in right now are going to be our emulsifying and thickening agents. Alright friends, I'm adding the butters in. Ooh. That's gonna be too much. Not enough. So right here I'm just adding some more emulsifiers just so everything stays together. Hey friends, so this is our eucalyptus water. It smells amazing. Hey guys, so right now I am about to add the clay. So the only thing that you guys really missed in between here and there was that we added the scent and preservative, and now we're about to load up the hopper. Alright guys, well that is how we make the clay pomade. If you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, leave us questions down below. We will try our best to answer them as best as we can. Thanks.